Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson number 13, Muscular System and Digestive System in Human Being, and video number 26. In this video, we see the working of digestive system. Conversion of food into soluble form and absorption into the blood is called digestion. The digestive system consists of alimentary canal, digestive glands. Total length of alimentary canal is 9 meter. Its main part are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The salivary glands, liver and pancreas are digestive glands connected to the alimentary canal. Various enzymes are obtained in this process. This act as a catalyst and metabolic process are impossible without enzymes. First, digestive system start with the mouth. Digestion of the food began in mouth. Food is chewed with the help of teeth into very small pieces. Then saliva produced in salivary gland in mouth cavity located in front of ears near the pharynx and below the tongue. It is carried out mouth via duct. It mixes with the food during the process of chewing. Pharynx, the esophagus and the trachea open into pharynx. Esophagus is a tube leading to the pharynx to the stomach. It pushes the food forward to stomach. Pancreas is secrete pancreatic juice that contains various enzymes, and the liver is the largest gland in the body. It is rich supply of blood. Its main function is storage of glucose. The gallbladder is situated below the liver. It stores the bile and digestive juice secreted by the bile. When bile is carried out into small intestine, it mixes with the food. There is help in digestion of fats. Bile contain bile salts. Then stomach. The large sac-like part of the alimentary canal is called as stomach. The gastric gland, stomach secrete gastric juice. Food that entered in stomach churn three components of gastric juice, namely hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus, mix with food and become acidic. Mainly protein are digested in stomach. Due to the churning of action of gastric juice, food becomes semi-solid slurry which slowly push into small intestine. Small intestine is about 6 meter long and absorption of food takes place here. Three different digestive juice mix with the food in small intestine. Absorption of blood and nutrient obtained in digestion of food also occur in small intestine. Then large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. Only water is absorbed in large intestine. A small part of appendix is attached to the first part of the large intestine. Undigested remains of the food digested in small intestine enter in large intestine. Undigested material is thrown out of the body through the anus. So that is the working of digestive system in human being. So various important glands of digestive system and their secretion and their function. So mouth contains salivary gland which contain ptyalin, conversion of starch into the maltose. That is the function of salivary gland. Stomach contains gastric wall which contain gastric juice, hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. They make food acidic. Breakdown of protein to protect inner lining of stomach and from hydrochloric acid. Then liver contain bile juice to make food alkaline, to convert large fat particle into small one. Pancreas contain pancreatic juice which contain trypsin, lipase and amylase to convert protein into amino acid, to convert fat into fatty acid, glycerol, to convert carbohydrate into simple sugar. And small intestine contain intestinal juice. They convert protein into amino acid and to convert complex carbohydrate into glucose, to convert fat into the fatty acid and glycerol. So digestive system working consists of alimentary canal, digestive gland, and main part are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Enzymes are substance secreted by body of organism which bring about specific chemical reaction. They act as a catalyst and metabolic process are impossible without enzymes. Then various gland. Mouth contain salivary gland, contain saliva, ptyalin. Gastric juice contain hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. Bile juice, pancreatic juice, trypsin, lipase and amylase and intestinal juice. Their function is conversion of starch into maltose. They make food acidic. They make food alkaline. They break down the protein. They convert a protein into amino acid. They convert the fat into fatty acid. then are we putting our health as a risk? Physical health is extremely important in personality development. When all our organ system function properly, we say that we in a good health. However, harmful habits like smoking, chewing of tobacco, drinking alcohol affect the health adversely. So we consume tobacco product, mouth, pharynx, alimentary canal on other digestive system cannot be function properly. It cause problem like vomiting, nausea, headache. Besides, tobacco particles stick to the teeth, gums, skin and mouth cavity and slowly cause injury to those parts, resulting in dysfunction. This causes swelling of gums and pain when moving in jaw. The pharynx and intestine become inflamed into the cancer, leading to death. So please like, subscribe. Thanks.